find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. Well, in today's video, you know I love America and the American flag. I mean, if you can't tell, if you've been around the channel any length of time, you should know. I don't know if I can even get this up here, but you know, just saying. All right. Well, what says America more than 5.56 AR? That's what we have today. It is the Ruger AR-5.56
MPR multi-purpose rifle
with the American flag, distressed pattern. Bring it in closer, kind of get you to see that distressed look it has on there. Real pretty finish. If you've been around the channel any length of time, you know that I have a Ruger AR-5.56, and I love it. It does not have the full float barrel like this one does. Really nice
radial port muzzle brake.
You know, 3.5 by 28 full float barrel,
18-inch barrel that is. Cold hammer forged chromoly steel with a 1 1/8 twist. You're looking at an M-lock handguard.
Okay.
It offers the Ruger Elite 4.52 two-stage trigger with a 4.5 pound brake.
Full float barrel.
You're also looking at a rifle length gas system versus a carbine length gas system on the regular AR-5.56.
Everything else is standard AR controls. Looks just like my AR-5.56. Well, I mean, the upper and lower. Has mag pull furniture. Got your little pouch right there. You can store you some M&Ms in or something so you can keep that on the range with you. Mag pull furniture on the back. A little tight there, but I'm sure that'll loosen up over time. It's got some quick detach holes in the stock there. Really nice firearm.
I do say it's very similar to my AR-5.56. Very different in the same though. So many upgrades. Ruger calls this their custom build, and it is custom for sure. Very nice firearm.
And got your 1913 rail, not only on top of the receiver, all the way down the handguard, so you can mount you, get you a good long sight radius for your iron sights if you get some of those, or mount your optics, whatever you need to do, because like I said, you have a full float barrel. Hope you can handle all this America in one shot. Anyway, hope you enjoy this little overview of the Ruger AR-5.56 with the full float handguard. in the American flag pattern. Beautiful piece of art and machinery there. Hope you enjoyed this video again. I want to say that again. And remember to come back and see us on All for Mississippi Thunder. Remember, for I've learned to be content in every situation. Comes from Philippians 4:11. And God bless you, and God bless America.